What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be installing some traction boards from XBull today on my GoRack. This is going to be a great addition and it's going to help me get out of a tough spot if I ever get stuck. Here's everything that comes out of the box. You get a nice bag and the hardware to install it on the rack. The way we're going to mount these on the side is we're going to put them somewhere in the middle, and we're going to use these little holes right here because the holes on the boards and the pre-drilled holes don't line up. You first want to take your mounting hardware and slide it through each individual hole. Then you want to take this piece right here that was one solid piece, but I cut it in half because I was going to mount it a different way. So you would take that, slide that on those bolts. Now I'm going to take two washers, stick that on there. Take you a nut and thread that on backwards and on this side. Once you're finished installing the hardware that came in the kit, I went to Lowe's and picked up some stainless steel fender washers in order to mount it right here on the side of the rack. Now you want to climb up in the truck. We're going to put them in the middle. It's going to end up in this slot, and these two slots. I'm going to take those fender washers, stick those on the back side. Now take another fender washer, install it right there with a nut. For the top mounting, you'll have to use a smaller washer because there's a bend right here that won't allow for that bigger fender washer. All right, I've got them installed. That really wasn't that bad. It's a great addition to have on the side of that GoRack. I did have to make some slight adjustments, but they ended up working out perfect. I decided to install them right in the middle, but you could install them more towards the front or more towards the back.